Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In this video, we are going to learn how we can use Mutex, and we should understand also what is Mutex in Golang or Go language. If you know Java, we have a word synchronized. If we put that word in front of a method, the method becomes synchronized, or if we want to use a particular line of code, then we can use synchronized block also. The work of synchronize is to avoid this piece of code that comes under a synchronized method or block to be shared in a multiple thread. Means the part of code that will execute under the synchronized, that will execute one by serialized manner to all the threads. Similarly, in Go language we have a goroutines, and when the goroutines do some calculation or manipulation or share some part of data that is most important for you, so that data sometime produce a wrong result. So because of the concurrency execution of the code. So how we can make a lock? Like in OS also we have a semaphore, the location where we put the code inside a memory and we lock it to be shared from other threads or goroutines. So here we will see that with the help of Mutex, how we can achieve this synchronization, or we can say the controlling of execution of thread or goroutines in Go language. So here we have a main method, and here I create a one function. I say increment, and this function have count equal to count plus 1, and this count we have a global variable equal to 0 like this. So here I import package also, like this. Now I need to call this increment. For that I need a for loop. Here I say I variable to 0, I less than 1000, I plus plus, and here I call this increment function. I save it and I want to call this, but before that I want to display the value of count. Like this. Now I run go, run main.go. You see the value is 100, no problem. Everybody knows that value will come 1000. Now I put here go and I run it, means now convert this into goroutines. So we have now concurrency in this code. Try to run it. You see the result. In front of you, you have a same result. If I avoid this go, you see, then I have this result. But if I put the go and I run it, I have this result. So now what I do, I use wait group to control this first of all. So I create here wait group like this. Now here in this function I pass this, and for wait group I have to use add function also to put into this, and I have to hold it, wait also here, and I have to perform here done also. So I say defer dot wg dot done. So I will have this here. For this I say wg pointer of sync dot wait group. I save it. Now I tried to make concurrency control by using wait group. Now I try to run this code once again. You see, same output I am getting here. If I increase the value to 10,000 and I run it, you see the big difference is coming. So as the load will increase on this goroutines, then we will have a wrong result. So we achieve this. We try to make a wait group also. We try to hold this, but we are not able to get the result which we can get without the goroutine. If I do not have a goroutine, then I have the 10,000, the accurate result. But if I have a goroutines, then we have the problem. So how we can solve? So this problem can be solved by Mutex. So what is the Mutex? So Mutex is like a synchronize in Java that make a synchronization between goroutines and control the execution and try to achieve a good accurate result. So once again I create here Mutex like this. Now in Mutex what I do, I pass here Mutex also, and I just create here Mutex also. Like this, and with the help of Mutex I just log this execution and then unlock the execution. Remember that this part of code that come between lock and unlock function, it may be one line of code, it may be 1000 line of code, doesn't matter, but this line of code will be synchronized. Means whenever any goroutine will execute this line of code, it will execute one by one. Parallelly, concurrently, this line of code would not be executed. That is the surety of this Mutex. So I try to execute once again, then run, and you see we have a 10,000. Run once again, run once again, run once again, no doubt. If I remove this, remember, if I remove this lock and I paste here, that means there is 0 number of code under this. Remember that we do not have any code inside this. We have this code of line of code is outside this block, and if I try to execute it now, you see the same wrong result we are getting. We are using a Mutex, but we are not using at a right place. So we have to use at a right place. That means we need a code that should be block, that should be synchronized by the other goroutines. Now it's saved, and you see we have a accurate result. So with the help of this Mutex, you may have a accurate result as I shown you in this example. I think with this example you understand the role of Mutex like a synchronize in Java. That's all in this video. I think you really learn anything from this video. If you do, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching this video.